All right, guys, welcome to our Friday reading lesson. So our learning goal this week has been I can identify and retell the details of a text in order to identify the main topic or main idea. So we have been reading the book called Habitats Around the World. This book is a non-fiction book. It is true that in this book has chapters. So each chapter that we read has its own main idea, but each chapter is also like a supporting detail for the whole book because we are going to try to figure out what is the main idea of the whole book. Let's try to find out by using what we know about the chapters and reading the conclusion. So this is the conclusion. Habitats are places where plants and animals live. Savannas, the Arctic, tropical rainforests, and coral reefs are four of Earth's many habitats. So here we have the savanna that we learned about on Tuesday, and then you guys learned about the Arctic on your own. Yesterday, we learned about the tropical rainforest together, and you learned about the coral reef on your own. So each of these four habitats that we learned about, each of these four chapters, they were their own main idea, but they are also the details of the whole book. So let's review what we already learned. The main idea of chapter 1, a savanna is a grassland habitat. The main idea of chapter 2, the Arctic is a polar habitat. The main idea of chapter 3, a tropical rainforest is a warm, wet habitat. In chapter 4, the main idea is a coral reef is a warm, shallow ocean habitat. Now, all of these main ideas, all of these chapters are just like the details of the whole book. We are looking at the whole entire book today, all four of the chapters. So what is this book mostly about? This whole book is mostly about, I see the word habitat, 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 habitat. I see that word over and over again. There are different kinds of habitats. There's the savanna, the Arctic, tropical rainforest, and coral reef. These tell me that I think the main idea of the whole book is that there are many habitats in the world. So if we look at these as details of the whole book, we can see that the main idea of the whole book is there are many habitats around the world. So the details that support the main idea are savannas, tropical rainforests, Arctic, and coral reef are all habitats in the world. So what I want you to do is we are going to think about one new thing you learned this week. All right, kiddos, have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed our reading lesson today.